Hey guys, Mr. Goyle here. Hope you are good. So in this tutorial we'll be looking at how to create a bass line starting from a chord progression. If you see in the different chapters inside learningmusic.ableton.com, you will see that there is actually a chapter about bass lines. I do not use this chapter too much in my teaching. It's interesting, you can go check it out, but this is not what I use to teach my students how to create a bass line. I'll be sending you to the playground right here. And inside the playground, you have many options. You actually have an option to create a beat, but it's a 2-bar beat now. And there are quite a few instruments. We're not going to be looking at this for the moment. We'll get back to it. There's a bass line here that you can create, chords, as well as melodies. So we'll stick to chords and a bass line for the time being. So let's create a simple chord progression. Because I have two measures, I'm going to stretch these notes out to be half notes in order to be able to get something that's a bit more musical, because quarter notes, they go by pretty fast, even at 85 BPM. I'll start with the C chord. I'll go to, let's try A. Stretching it out 2 beats. Then I'll go for the D chord. Finally, G chord, so 5. So here we have the progression 1, 6 to 5. Let's listen to it for. All right. When I create a bass line, I always use at first the root notes of each chord to start my bass line. So the first chord is C. I will be using C and be stretching it out as a half note, like so. Same as here. Same will happen to this chord, which is an A. So I'll be placing the A right here. Then we're going to, the root is D, the D chord, D minor, D right here, and then G right here. So listening to this should be working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. This is beautiful. Now, in the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to complexify this bass line. Thank you.